Everyone wants a watch with a big display. So today we have for you the Fire-Boltt Ninja Pro Max Plus. Wow, that's a long confusing name. But the best part is it comes with a huge 1.83-inch display which looks absolutely stunning for a watch that's priced at just $1,599. Already impressed? Hang on, there's more. Quickly diving into the unboxing, inside is the user manual, the watch in blue color, lots of freebie coupons as usual, and the pogo pin charging cable that align and attaches magnetically as you bring it closer to the watch terminals. A quick look at the watch, so you get a square dial with a metal frame, and as you can see this is a blue color. It comes with this nice matte finish which looks really nice. Also worth mentioning, the watch is really thin, 9.5 mm to be precise. You get a single button on the right side, soft silicone straps with the buckle design, comes with the Fire-Boltt branding right on the top. Moving towards the back is made of plastic but comes with this amazing glossy finish, giving it a very premium look. Right in the center is the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, and the charging terminals up here. You can replace these straps with any third-party bands, just simply pull this hook mechanism to release. Simple and convenient. Now to pair the watch, go to the Play Store and download the Fit app. This app is also available on the App Store for iOS devices. Click Open. Come to the second option, click on Add Device. Now you take the watch, press the button on the side for a couple of seconds. There you go. You can see Ninja Pro Max. Click. And there you go, it's done and ready to use. The watch comes with IP67 rating, so it's dust, water and sweat resistant. You can wear it for a workout at the gym, you can wear it for a run, actually even wear it in the rain. But be careful, it's not recommended to be worn while you swim. And there you go. So we finally worn the watch, and as you can see, it provides a really good grip in your hand. The silicone straps are really soft to your skin. Have a look at the display. That's a 1.83-inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 284 pixels. Now that's actually not a very high resolution display, but still you can see that the text and images are super crisp and bright. And as you can see here, the display is so responsive. Check that out. Now a lot of people are going to ask about the bezels because that has been a discussion of late. Here you can see it goes almost edge to edge. I'll actually change the watch face, which is going to be edge to edge. There you go. Now that will give you a good idea of the display. Now the display bezels are actually quite slim here, and that's the best part about this watch. Quick look at the interface. Swipe right, you have steps, you have sleep tracking, you have heart rate, you have SpO2, you have got exercise, you have got weather. You've got camera shutter to take pictures, control the music that's playing on your phone. If you swipe right, you can actually have the grid type of the menu. Now a lot of people like this. If you find this confusing, you can swipe from down and access the menu in list style. Messages, steps, sleep tracking, exercise, heart rate, SpO2, weather, shutter, music player, flashlight and settings. In settings, you have stopwatch, you have alarms. Alarms you cannot set from the watch, but you can turn it on and off directly from the watch itself. Then you have countdown, you have brightness levels, you have vibration, theater mode, reset, power off, about, and app QR code. Now if you swipe from the top, you can access the quick toggles, vibration alert, you can adjust the brightness from here, and the display, trust me, gets bright enough even to use outdoors. Then you have theater mode, you have the torch where the display turns white, helpful at night, and of course you have the weather and a shortcut button for the settings. Overall, I'll say a very responsive and super easy to use interface. Now talking about watch faces, when you go into the Fit app and you come into the second option, here you can see the all pre-installed watch faces. Now as you click on this, it will start changing here. Check that out. Starts changing here. Now if you want to edit something, you come here. You can choose some preset watch faces that are available here. You can even change the time position. You want to put it up or down, the color of the time, all those things can be done from here. Then you have choose from album, where for example, I select this image. So you can custom set an image as well. And there you go, there's a custom watch face on the display. Looks amazing. Coming to health monitoring. So we'll start with the heart rate tracking, but first we'll place the watch on the table to see how the sensors respond. And there you go, it says wear the watch and try again. So let's wear the watch. Also make sure it's tight enough for more accurate results. There you go, we get 71 beats per minute. Also let's test SpO2, and here we get 97%. Now keep in mind, these readings are just for reference and not for medical purposes. This is a smartwatch, not a medical equipment, so take these readings with a pinch of salt. Coming to call alerts, will you actually receive call alerts instantaneously on the watch itself? There's a vibration alert, you can see the caller's name with an option to reject the call or silent the ringer. There's no way to answer the incoming call. Similarly, you also receive app notifications on your watch. There's a vibration alert, you can see the sender's name, and you can even read the message directly on the watch display. Very convenient. Talking about sports tracking, the watch comes with 27 workout modes. To access it, come into the menu and go to exercise and click the plus sign. Here you'll see walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, cycling, climbing, tennis. My God, there's a huge list. Check that out. The interface is so smooth. I'm actually loving it. However, keep in mind that the watch lacks any kind of swim tracking or water sports tracking. So you need to be careful not to wear this watch for swimming. Now, when you start your workout, you can see the time of workout, steps taken, distance walked, calories burnt, beats per minute. Swipe right and you can see your workout is light or extreme. Swipe further and you can pause the workout or stop the workout directly from here. So battery life claimed by Fire-Boltt is 8 days, and since it doesn't come with phone calling on board, expect it easily to last for about 4 to 5 days. However, make sure that the brightness levels aren't too high, as the battery drain would be a lot faster. Let's have a quick look at the Dafit companion app. Right here on the home page, you can check out all your workouts and health tracking data. You can see steps tracking, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood oxygen levels, outdoor running. In the second option, you can see Ninja Pro Max also already paired, battery percentage. You can change the watch faces from here. In notifications, you can choose to turn on notifications or turn off notifications. In other options, you can change time format, units, do not disturb, auto lock time, quick view, drink water reminder, heart rate warning, weather, psychological cycle reminder. And in the last one, you can actually have your profiles, your goals, and even share data with Google Fit. And this is something I know a lot of people prefer. Overall, Dafit app is pretty well known, very stable and easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. So for $15.99, it's a really good smartwatch. Yes, I would have loved to see swim tracking on board, some more workouts, but still, I don't see it as a deal breaker, as you get a gorgeous looking huge 1.83-inch display for under $1,600. It goes on sale tomorrow, 5th November at 12 PM. I'll share the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one or gift someone, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, you know where to drop them. But most importantly, do subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Cheers!